happening. And that is why what is happening is still happening till today. And it will continue because Ekpa is never the problem. Let those politicians tell themselves the truth. I love what Kalu, the former governor, the senator Kalu, the former governor of Abia State, what he has woke up from his sleep to tell the governors, the leaders of the Southeast, that they should wake up. What he's saying is the right thing. They should wake up and do the needful. You know, I've told us before that Ekpa is never a problem, neither is he the case behind what is happening in the Southeast. That they should first and foremost go and checkmate so-called the leaders, the Nigerian, the Southeast politicians. They are the brain behind it. As I'm talking to you currently now, as per head, everybody is saying it, shouting, Ekpa have been arrested, Ekpa detained, Ekpa in prison. Yeah, glory be to God. He's in the cell now, Abi. Then does he stop the killing in the Southeast? No, I'm asking. Does he stop the Ishago killing? Does he stop the one that they massacred in the Enugu? Does he stop the Fulanis from carrying gun to arrest the farmer? I saw a whole farm, that a rice farm, very big farm, farmland, and the rice is due for harvest. So the owner of the farm with the workers are there to harvest the rice. Then the Fulani man with the gun, they were many with their cattle, invaded the land with the gun and surrendered the owner of the farm, and the cattle were busy eating up the farm crops. Then where is Mbah? Where is Ekpa? Is Ekpa still outside? No. Is he talking again? No. Yet the worst is even going on. That is to tell you that Ekpa is not a problem, and it has never been a problem. And Ekpa have never been the one responsible nor behind what has been happening in the Southeast. Those politicians are the one behind what is happening, and that is why what is happening is still happening till today. And it will continue because Ekpa is never the problem. Let those politicians tell themselves the truth. I love what Kalu, the former governor, the senator Kalu, the former governor of Abia State, what he has woke up from his sleep to tell the governors, the leaders of the Southeast, that they should wake up. What he's saying is the right thing. They should wake up and do the needful. They should wake up and stop using people, using money to buy people and to use them against their own self. Are you getting it? Using them against their brother is not the best. You get it? But no, in Imo State, Okorocha started this by giving people 2 million to join APC and to become Muslim. Okorocha started it when he was a governor of Imo State. He did it. He paid some persons 2 million for them to answer Musa Ibrahim. Yes. To answer Musa, answer Rasisi, Ibrahim, was whatsoever. In Imo State, Okorocha did that. You get it? Okorocha did it.
Why did he do?
And he say he want them. That's why they are today. I could remember the other day, and when they were like telling me or arguing with me that Igbos are Muslim, they even go and bring out some people. It was Okorocha handwork. You get it? It was Okorocha's handwork. Many guys collected 2 million. Are you getting it? In changing their name to answer Musa and to answer Lasisi and to answer Muhammad and answer Ibrahim and Yakubu. Are you getting it? Yes. And Toji or Tunji or whatsoever is the name. All different kinds of names. It started from Okorocha. That was why he went to the house, to the government house. Are you getting it? To build mosque for the Fulanis in Imo State. Which at the end of the day, when he left, the other governor scatter everything before Hope Uzodinma finally came up. Which Kekere with the Wuru Nigeria. Power and the power of incumbency of former president of Nigeria called Buhari. He came and he Buhari things in the East. And that is the problem that East are facing today. What is the meaning of Buhari? Buhari means carry something and put where you don't supposed to be. That is the meaning of Buhari. Buhari, yeah, Buhari and Igbo. Buhari Imo State. After Buhari Imo State, and he turned Imo State to a dungeon zone, a war zone. That's the meaning of Ojota in Lagos State. If you don't know the meaning of Ojota, I'm telling you the meaning of Ojota. Oju, the place of war. You get it? So it started from Okorocha. Now Hope Uzodinma. So let the Southeast leaders come together, just like Ojo Kalu, Senator Ojo Kalu has said. Let them come together and stop spending our money on the issues and things that doesn't matter. Let them use it for the betterment and the development of their place. As a governor, that is why they were elected, to represent the people well. Look at Abia State. Why is it that it's difficult for man to copy good things? No. Why is it wrong? Listen to me. As I'm talking to you, in Africa, Imo State produces the highest gas in Africa. We have the highest gas. Yes. Imo. Yes. You can verify. After this, go and do your findings. You get it? Why not focus on that? Use what comes from your land, develop the land. As I'm talking to you, my brother, Abia State now, they are no longer using Nigerian NEPA. They have their own light, state light. If Imo State have their own, is it a sin? If Enugu State have their own, is it a crime? No, why not to use that money? Channel it on something that is meaningful, that will benefit the society and the people. Why are you using it to attack one another? Pay Peter to destroy Paul. Why? No, I'm asking why. It is the high time that the Eastern region leader should come up with their senses and do the right thing and do the needful. Let them stop this unnecessary division they are causing themselves, thinking they are doing the people. No. And let me tell you, if they collect money from the Fulanis, okay, must you collect money from the Fulanis and destroy your people? Go and let me tell you, the other day, some days ago, Zamfara governor declared Zamfara as an Islamic state. You get it? Then Abia State Governor Alex Oti declared Abia State Jewish state, the Hebrew state. You get it? Now, everybody are now giving state a name. Where is I'm not against it. That is good. You understand? But while doing this, back it up with something meaningful and something good to represent whatsoever you name after the state. Okay? Look at Oti now. As I'm talking to you now, at least now, it's not up to 2 years in the office. They have their own light. It's a good development. That has never happened in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It has never happened, but it has come to be. You understand me? And somebody brought the idea and somebody planted, and today it comes to existence. It's good. Let other governors try to do this. Let them learn. Let them copy good things. Let them stop copying. Even from the presidency. Let them stop traveling to come back and bring out tax to tax the poor masses and frustrate the masses.
And the argument with the politician, I think from the index and from the they said they've spent over 2 trillion, in terms of over or close to 2 trillion, in terms of travel budget.
Okay, now you travel in the time of traveling, you spend 2 to 3 trillion annual only in traveling. Then what does that comes back to play in the country? What kind of positivity is this traveling bringing to the society? You only travel. Are you getting? You travel to learn what? There is a saying that traveling is part of education. But the one our own president is traveling, their own traveling is not educating them. Rather, they are coming back with negativity to frustrate their people, whom they're supposed to rule well, who's supposed to be clapping for them. Rather, they are frustrating them and making them crying and weeping and swearing for them. They only travel, the other one travel. After traveling, they come back. Because in the British, UK doesn't have anything. They have nothing. They only survive by what? Taxation. And you travel to UK, you come back and bring taxation to us. Did the UK have it? That is their own source of income. Must you come and impose taxation on us? And let me tell you, on this taxation that this man is coming up, that they are still dragging, you will pay dairy. This one they are saying, before, bank used to give interest every month when you are banking, when you put money in the bank. Do you know that bank used to put money? But as I'm talking to you, bank is not adding, rather they are collecting from you. Now, if somebody put money in your account, bank will remove money. If you collect money, bank will remove money. Any transaction, bank are removing money. They will tell you, electronics, they will conclude it by VAT, including VAT. Where is that VAT going? Which impact is this VAT playing in the country? All those money, where is it going? They are removing those tax and those VAT. Where is it going? On whose purse? Borrow here, borrow there, borrow this, borrow that. You borrow and share. Instead of all those borrowing, use it and develop the country. They are not doing it. They are just, in fact, I don't know. I'm using this medium to those that will watch it. Please pass this message to all this international. They should stop borrowing, giving Nigeria money. Let them stop.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. They have borrowed enough. And funny enough, Nigeria is not even paying it. They are not paying. They are only managing to service the money. The debt is still there. And one day, people like China can come up and claim any part of Nigeria because of their money. And for the information, China, if you are coming, come and claim West and claim North. Bonu have gold and mining. Claim that side, please. Leave East.
But have gas now.
No. Nigeria has squandered the gas to finish.
We are not part of the money they are borrowing. It's not for Nigeria.
No. We are not Nigeria.
So this time, saying I pay this thing.
No. We are not Nigeria. Enough.
Everybody will pay today.
Let them stop this. Let them stop borrowing Nigeria money. Let Nigeria work out their money with what they have. Enough. We have enough resources that will give us any amount of money we need or we want for the development of this country. Yes. What did China have? I'm asking. Even United States of America, what did they have? To compare the kind of resources God has blessed this country. Let me tell you, we have tin. T-I-N. We have tin. We have mine. We have gold. We have gas. We have crude oil. We have cocoa. We have every resources. When you talk of mineral resources, there is no mineral resources. We have, let me tell you, we have quota. We have zinc. Go to Enugu State. We have coal. That's why Enugu State is named the coal city. You understand? We have zinc in Enugu. We have coal. Even in Ebonyi, go to Ebonyi State, you see many mineral resources there. But Nigeria, I don't just understand what is wrong with this country and with the leaders. See, that's why many of them are like kicking against Trump. And somebody like me supporting Trump. I'm in support of the movement of Trump. Do you know why? Trump is indirectly telling you, Papa, you have a lot in your place. Go and develop your place. Yes. Stop coming to disturb us in America. You understand? And through America did not actually have what we have here. Yes, what God has blessed Nigeria with. America did not have it. Why are you still living Africa, Nigeria, traveling, killing yourself, wasting money, spending money, say you are going to America? What did they have? Do you know why all these things are happening? Because of the bad leaders we have in the country. I have said it before. Nigeria doesn't have problem, but the problem of Nigeria are the Nigerians. I repeat, Nigeria did not have problem. The problem of Nigeria are the Nigerians. God has blessed Nigeria. So anybody, including the pastors that stand up, say, let us pray for Nigeria, it is an error. They are making a very big mistake. Lack of understanding the word of God. Nigeria is blessed by God. Nigeria doesn't need that prayer. They don't need prayer. What they should be praying that God should deal with all these Nigerians called themselves leaders who has refused to use what God has blessed Nigeria with to develop Nigeria. So let the Southeast learn and let the international bodies learn. Stop giving Nigeria money. You are spoiling Nigerian politicians.
Stopping of pipeline or gas line in Biafra land. She's supposed to do so. Biafra government in are supposed to do so. Because that's the major economical hub that Nigerians are using to fight against Biafrans. The money they're generating, the money they're borrowing, the money to use to buy fighter jet, to buy armored car, buy tanks, to buy weapons against Biafra is the same oil and gas from Biafra land. Who is trying to position herself. I'm still saying that the leadership she's trying to claim, time will tell. You understand? I'm not against whether she's a woman or she's a man, but time will tell. You can see a woman that is tougher than man. It is. Margaret Thatcher, during her own time, he was one of the most toughest prime minister British have ever got. But she's a woman. Gandhi, I have forgot his name. Not Gandhi. She's a woman. The daughter of Indira Gandhi. She was a tough woman when he was a prime minister of India. To the extent they have nothing to do. They cannot push him away. They assassinate her. And that's what I'm saying. Who else that was a woman and lead their country perfect? It doesn't mean the gender doesn't mean. But what matters is what is in you. What matters is what is in you. So I'm looking at her not to be like a China Sanworu who pretend. China Sanworu some Imapawafo and Chika Edozie, what I have forgotten his name, who pretend that they are working for Nnamdi Kanu, who pretend that they are within Nnamdi Kanu, but they are the one that scattered foundation of Nnamdi Kanu and destroy Eastern Security Network. Let this woman and this group not to be like DOS. But if they will stand firmly in one accord, they will deliver good results. Whether someone Ekpa is around or not, they will deliver good results. Why I'm trying to say this, not to come out and say pipeline, gas pipeline, oil pipeline should stop. You can say it verbally, openly, where we may try to win sympathizer or supporters, but on the ground we are doing another thing. In the night, those people you are speaking against them, you and them will be drinking in the same cup, eating in the same plate, sitting around the table, story like DOS. Let it not to be so. But to come into the stopping of pipeline or gas line in Biafra land, she's supposed to do so. Biafran government in are supposed to do so, because that's the major economical hub that Nigerians are using to fight against Biafrans. The money they're generating, the money they're borrowing, the money to use to buy fighter jet, to buy armor, to buy tanks, to buy weapons against Biafra is the same oil and gas from Biafran land. Therefore, if you can be able to know the weak point of your enemy and exploit it, you're a wise person. If Biafrans can know that this is the weak point of Nigeria and they capitalize on to block that oil and gas, Nigeria will succumb to their demand. Do you understand? But whereby you allow it to flow, which means you are empowering the person that is fighting against you to have more power to beat you, to subdue you. I know that Nigerian government will not take it light with them, will not take it easy with them. And Nigerian government they will do man to hire the whole machineries in the world and deploy them over there. But if they can start family, look at the Niger Delta militants. From the time of Obasanjo to the time of Yar'Adua and Jonathan, you see how they stand firmly and stop oil production, which made the oil price to increase in the world. Nigeria wasn't able to extract their quota in the world. I think they were able to extract 1/3 or less than 1/3, which affect the global market and affect Nigerian economy. If ordinary Niger Delta militants can do it, Niger Delta Avengers, if they can do it, how much more a whole agitators whom the whole world have known, whom the whole world have supported, whom the whole world have acknowledged. They can do it more better. And that could have been their stepping stone to weaken Nigerian power. That could have been the stepping stone. But if they are not able to do it, fine. Good luck to them. If they are able to do it, good luck to them. But it will be a very shameful thing that in absence of Simon Ekpa, they are not able to do a tangible thing. They are not able to make any impact, good impact, not evil impact. It will be a very shameful thing to them. So, Ngozi or Abeze, not to speaking with mouth, but let us see the reality. Let us see whether the few months or few days or few weeks we are going to handle whatever you are handling before Simon Ekpa will be out and take over. Let us see the dividends of their good action, proper action, not verbal action. Like DOS, there was a time when they said they have banned the cattle rearing. I think the time of Buhari, they don't want to see any cattle in Imo State. They don't want to see anything in Imo State. One day, Fulani love them. They carry their cattle, they do parade in all the major streets in Owerri. Do you know what they come out to say again? We don't have much arms. We don't have to resist them. We don't have much men, much equipment to resist them. And you are the one who disband your men, ESN. And you are the one who do not equip them. And you are the one making mouth that you will deal with the Fulani if they bring their cattle again in Imo State. If they do this again in Imo State, and when Fulani come start giving excuse, let them go say or place their own not to be like that. That's what I'm saying. It's better for him not to pronounce anything and pronounce and start giving excuse tomorrow. It's better for her not to pronounce any action than he pronounce the action, start giving excuse tomorrow. The Southeast senators or rep, they don't have dignity. They don't have respect. They have sold themselves out. They have become highest bidder we get. They have become anyhow commodity cheap commodity in the market. Anybody can buy. As people are saying or rumoring that they not have bought them over. It may be true. If not we bought them over, Nigeria we bought them over, even Tinubu we bought them over to go against their own brothers. Anybody can bought them over. What they are there is so highest bid, we have them. The highest bidder, we have them.
But Ojuzo Kalu and the rest, do you not think they are worthy enough to, to do such a thing?
They are what enough to produce? What enough? Worthy enough? Worthy enough? But I don't know whether enough when they are collecting money from federal government against biafra agitators. Are they poor? Are they hungry? When they are collecting, do you know senatorial zone allocation that they are pocketing every month? Do you know how much it is? But because
Ojuzo Kalu come out and said that it's not even enough. That the money that they are allocating to them is not enough to do whatever they want to do. They will pay staff and do other things.
which staff they are paying? Which office they are paying staff?
Does it not have staff? You have staff.
Which staff? Who asked them to go and employ, to use senatorial zone money to be paid in personal workers? Anybody working under him is a personal worker. Anybody that the government give to assign to them, government will pay that person. Anybody government assigned to them, government will pay that person. But when you went and carry your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend father, your girlfriend brother, and surrender yourself, you say you are spending. You are the one that cause the spending onto yourself. So they have sold themselves to the extent they don't have respect. It remains foul to come and buy them. It remains foul to give them money and tell them that no fowl in Southeast again should be killed for any celebration. They will agree. If I will give them money, they will agree and stand on it. If not so, it's only IPOB under Simon Ekpa, autopilot, have come at the initial stage and said they are against this tax reform and the regional proposal that Tinubu is doing.